Liz Coulter. I'm the Director of IT Services at the University of Auckland. I'm going to be reviewing the HP 3-Power solution. We knew we needed to invest in a new solution because we had a lot of issues in our data centres. We needed to increase our resilience and make sure that we could have our teaching and learning and research continue while we might have data centre outages or if there was any problems. The most valuable features to us is the automatic failover, the peer persistence, and that ability to be able to be confident that if we have a data centre outage that our business will keep running. And those were the features from a business perspective that were the most important. Some of the benefits that we're facing in using 3-Power, I did mention before, are around the ability to patch our systems quite easily, so we can easily fail over. We know that if there are any issues, we can continue to provide services. We recently had a power outage in Auckland which tested our data centres, our mechanicals and electricals in the data centres, but it also helped us understand that if we did have a problem in one data centre, we could easily fail between the two very easily. Sorry, the stability of the system has been great. I think we've only had it since October. We've not had any problems. It's been great. At the moment, it's working for us on scalability, I think, but we're still to see how we go. We've got some issues at the moment on scalability. We need to grow our data quite significantly, and we need to find something that is more scalable. The technical support has been absolutely fantastic. The whole project, when it went in, was really a joint partnership between HP, VMware and the university. Everyone worked really well to make sure it got in on time, on budget, and was successful. So it was a good project. The whole project seemed straightforward to me as I was the business owner and I didn't see a lot of the technical issues going on in the background. It might have been a bit more complex for my team, but it was fairly straightforward. They managed to migrate 650 VMs without any outages. It was a greenfield solution. We didn't have any resilience for a number of our faculty machines. We had quite a number of data centre outages because of some physical issues in the data centres. It was highlighted that not having resilience for our faculties, for their file services and for their research and for their course material was not appropriate. We really needed to be able to put something in place so we could increase our resilience. It's also helped us to increase our security and all sorts of other aspects and have all sorts of other benefits, not just resilience. It needed to fit into our current infrastructure. We needed to make sure that whatever we put in place had as minimal effort required regarding staff workload. We wanted to make sure that it didn't need any manual intervention in order to fail over. And the peer persistence that the 3-Power has was also important to us to make sure that we had replicated data and we could access it quickly and easily. So recovering quickly and little data loss were the most important things to us. We had a few vendors on our shortlist. The reason we chose HP was it fitted those criteria very well. I'd rate the 3-Power system fairly highly because it met our requirements of what we needed at the time. We're quite comfortable using it. We're seeing less stress from teams around issues that have had in the past. So probably a scale of 8. It just depends on what their requirements are. You've got to match your requirements to the system you need. Very important. We do reference checks. We do make sure we get all our requirements. We do comparisons. We've got pretty strict procurement requirements and we stick to those.